Welcome back to Learning Digitally. I am Mazhar Ali, and in today's online session, we are wrapping up our course on AI for educators with our final session, resources for further learning and support. As you continue to explore the potential of AI in education, it's essential to have access to resources and support to enhance your learning and professional development. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure to check out the links to our previous lectures and practical sessions conveniently organized in a playlist in the description box below. Additionally, for those who have attended the training, we have a multiple choice test available to help you evaluate how much you have learned. You can find the link to the test in the description box as well. If you are new to this channel and haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from Learning Digitally YouTube channel. Let's explore the valuable resources available to support your journey in integrating AI into education. As you continue to explore the potential of AI in education, there are a variety of resources available to support your learning and professional development. Here are some resources to consider. Number one, online courses. There are variety of online courses available that focus on AI in education, including courses offered by universities, professional organizations, and online learning platforms. Webinars. Many organizations and professional associations offer webinars focused on AI in education, providing opportunities to learn from experts in the field and to connect with other educators. Number three, professional development opportunities. Many schools or organizations offer professional development opportunities focused on AI in education, providing opportunities to learn from colleagues and to explore the potential of AI in the classroom. Number four, colleagues and other stakeholders. Don't underestimate the value of support from colleagues and other collaborators in your school or college community. By connecting with other educators and stakeholders, you can share knowledge and ideas and work together to explore the potential of AI in education. By accessing these resources and seeking out support from colleagues and other stakeholders, you can continue to learn and grow as an educator and to explore the potential of AI in education. Whether you are just starting to scratch the surface for the possibilities of AI in education, or you are already using AI tools and applications in your classroom, there are always opportunities to learn, improve, and expand your teaching practices. So, as we conclude this course on AI in education, we want to encourage you to keep trying and to be open to things changing quickly. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and there are always new developments and innovations to explore. We hope that this course has been fun and informative and that it has provided you with a solid foundation for exploring the potential of AI in education. Whether you are just starting to explore the potential of AI in education or are already using AI tools and applications in your classroom, there are always opportunities to learn and to improve your teaching practices. So keep trying to open to new ideas and approaches and stay up to date with the latest developments in the field. It's an exciting time to be an educator, and we hope that you will continue to explore the potential of AI in education and to provide your students with the best possible learning experiences. We hope you have found the information and guidance throughout this series both insightful and empowering. Integrating AI into education is a dynamic and evolving field, and by leveraging the resources we have discussed, online courses, webinars, professional development opportunities, and the support of your colleagues, you can continue to grow and innovate in your teaching practices. Remember, the journey of learning never stops. Stay curious, keep exploring new ideas, and remain open to the rapid advancements in AI technology. Your dedication to understanding and utilizing AI will undoubtedly enhance your educational approach and provide your students with enriching learning experiences. Here I want to suggest some AI-based tools that can be incredibly useful for both educators and students. I already discussed the ChatGPT with you. Now I discuss other resources for you. Number one, Khan Academy through Khan Migo. An AI tutor and teaching assistant that helps students understanding complex concepts through personalized learning experiences. It can also support teachers by providing detailed insights into student progress. Number two, Aid Puzzle, an interactive video platform that uses AI to track student engagement and comprehension. Teachers can create customized quizzes and assignments embedded within educational videos. Number three, Quizlet, a study aid that uses AI to help students learn more effectively through flashcards and quizzes. Its AI-powered features can adapt to reach students' learning pace and style. And then Socrative. It is an AI-based classroom app that allows teachers to create quizzes and polls to engage students and assess their understanding in real time. Another tool is a Gradescope. It is an AI-assisted grading tool that helps educators grade assignments more efficiently and consistently. It can also provide detailed analytics on student performance. Then speech to text tools. Tools like Google Speech to Text can assist students with disabilities or those who prefer verbal expression by converting spoken words into written text. Another tool is Content Technologies. It is an AI tool that can generate personalized textbooks for students tailored to their learning needs and preferences. Another important tool is Turnitin. It is an AI-powered plagiarism detection tool that helps ensure academic integrity by checking student submissions against a vast database of resources. Another tool is a Canva for education. While primarily a graphic design tool, Canva uses AI to help educators and students create visually appealing presentations and learning materials quickly and easily. So thank you for being a part of this course. If you found this series helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with your fellow educators and students. Don't forget to check out the multiple choice test linked in the description box to evaluate how much you have learned. If you are new to learning digitally, make sure to subscribe to our channel Learning Digitally and press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We look forward to seeing you in our future videos. Until then, keep learning and stay curious. Take care, stay blessed.